PLA On Point. In this video, I show how to analyze dichotomous assays in PLA 3.0. Dichotomous assays are one of the classical approaches to relative potency calculation. They are deployed in biomedical research and clinical practice, for instance. Such assays classify outcomes into two distinct categories, such as present and absent, or diseased and healthy, as a function of the dose. The nonlinear biological response, quantified as probability, is then fitted to logit, or probit regression models. This allows for an EC50 and relative potency estimation of samples. In PLA, I can analyze dichotomous assays with the dichotomous assay package. The document contains two response columns for probability calculation: the total number and how many affected. The content editor allows me to set up the samples, including their dose sequence. Under Analysis, I select either the logit or probit model and fine-tune statistical details. I can also specify suitability tests that target the critical parameters of dichotomous assays. The results on the dashboard provide a first glimpse on the assay performance, and I can switch the plots between probability-based and linear predictor. For more details, I can also generate a report. That's how dichotomous assays work in PLA 3.0.